Step inside the all-new Kia EV9 and immerse yourself in a world of comfort and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore the remarkable interior features that make this electric SUV a true game-changer. The EV9 boasts a stunning 3-screen dashboard layout. With a 12.3-inch driver display, a 5.3-inch climate control touchscreen, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen navigation system featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you'll have all the information and connectivity at your fingertips. No more fumbling with cables. The EV9 comes equipped with a wireless phone charger, ensuring that your device stays powered up and connected throughout your journey. And with the Kia Connect telematics system, you'll have 7 years of free access to a range of connected services, enhancing your driving experience. Experience true comfort with heated and ventilated front seats, providing the perfect temperature all year round. Even the outer second-row seats are heated and ventilated, ensuring that every passenger enjoys a premium and relaxing ride. Say goodbye to manual adjustments. The EV9 features electric folding, adjustable, and heated door mirrors with integrated LED indicator lights. They not only provide convenience but also enhance safety and visibility. The EV9 is designed to make your driving experience effortless. The rain-sensing front wipers automatically adjust their speed according to the rainfall, keeping your windshield clear. And with the electronic rear-view mirror, you'll have an unobstructed view of the road behind you, even with passengers or cargo in the back. Illuminate the road ahead with confidence. The EV9 features LED headlamps and rear lamps, providing clear and bright visibility. LED daytime running lights enhance safety, while LED fog lights cut through the mist, ensuring you reach your destination safely, no matter the weather conditions. Privacy and comfort go hand in hand. The EV9 comes with rear privacy glass, adding an air of exclusivity to your journey. And with second-row manual window blinds, you have complete control over the amount of sunlight entering the cabin, keeping you and your passengers cool and protected. Keep everyone in the EV9 feeling refreshed. Dual-zone air conditioning systems, both in the front and rear, allow individual temperature control, ensuring everyone's comfort. Rear roof vents provide a steady flow of air, creating a pleasant atmosphere throughout the cabin. Embrace the luxury of convenience. The EV9 features a heated steering wheel, perfect for chilly mornings. And with the smart power tailgate with height adjustment, accessing the spacious cargo area becomes effortless, even when your hands are full. The all-new Kia EV9 delivers a truly immersive and connected driving experience. With ambient lighting setting the mood and 6 USB-C chargers conveniently located throughout the cabin, you'll always stay connected and ready for your next adventure.